Oh man, where do I begin with this one? I started a video about 3 months ago and it kind of didn't go to plan, and then it went another direction, and then it's taken ages, and I haven't done anything on YouTube in so long. I think it's best that we go back in time, have a look at the previous footage, and then I will show you around how the van looks now. I think, stay tuned, it looked shit.
Man, I wish I could go back in time.
Well, it's been a while since the last video, so welcome back to the world's most inconsistent YouTube channel. What am I doing today? A bit more on the van. So last time I stripped out the interior with all the intentions of putting some kind of day van, work van interior back in. Unfortunately, I got a bit too busy and I couldn't really do anything. So the tools just thrown in there and I didn't even think about it. And then I totally forgot that we had the low down surfs up meet and the camper's not ready, so I had to take the work van. So I made a 1 hour interior. So I didn't bother picking up the camera, I just threw something in the back of the van. And it's actually fared up all right, it's pretty good. So I'll show you what I've done in a second there. But now we're taking the van away to Camp Corlin next weekend, and it's a bit like a heroin den in there. So making it a little bit nicer, I'm going to kind of carpet line the metalwork and ply up the sides. Because it's going to be a work van, I didn't want to use your four-way stretch carpet because it's just not hard wearing and it will collect all the dust. So I've been around charity shops all in the local villages and picked up all the jeans I can, and I'm going to use jeans. So I thought, one, it's got pockets in, pockets are always handy, and two, jeans are hard wearing. So that is what I'm going to do. Is it going to look good? I don't know, it might look utter shit, but there's only one way to find out, I suppose. What we're going to do with the panels, they're going to be ply, and I'm going to stain them a nice dark colour, and I might laser engrave some stuff in them. I don't know. I've pretty much just got some stuff, and I've got the unit, so I'm just going to give it a go and see where we get. Right, let me show you what I did in the back before this video. So I've made a frame there where all my tools can sit underneath, and I've got this here which can concertina up, and I can get at everything. And then I've made a bit of ply that sits on the back of the double seat there, so that can fold up, double seat can be used, and then it folds down and makes a bed. It's not bolted in yet because I'm waiting on those combi clips because I'd like to be able to take it in and out. So I'm still waiting on those, which is kind of rattling about at the moment. And then I've thrown a bit of ply to cover up the hydraulic pump and stuff because I didn't want to be dropping my pants and trousers in the morning down on hydraulic oil. So what we're doing in this video, this is all going to come out. All of this metal work is going to be jeans, and then all of these panels are going to be ply. What I want to do first though is take that saggy headlining down in the front and cover that in jeans, and that'll give me an idea of how easy or hard this is going to be. So yeah, let's just get into it because I ain't got much time and I can't really be asked if I'm honest, but it'll be fun. I'm halfway through this now and I'm really wondering, have I done the right thing and should I go on eBay and just buy some decent carpet for the headlining. Like I said before, I'm still 95% sure what I'm doing in the back is going to look amazing, but the work van headlining, it's a little bit much. Have a look here. So this is what I've done so far. I don't know if it looks wank or not. I can't work it out. I mean, it's very helpful. You can put your wallet and stuff in there. A laser engraved little lowdown logo, a goat's head pentagram, and then another logo over there and stuff, so it's a little bit different. But let's get it in the van. Let's get it in the van and see how it looks, complete with the bits back in. What a pain in the arse that was to get in. It kept falling back down on my head. Obviously, because I was stuck over the top, I couldn't find the screw holes to put the stuff up, but it's in. I think I hate it. I actually think I hate it. Come and have a look for yourselves and see what you think. It might tone it down when I've done the bits in the back, but I think for just such a big piece, it's too much. I don't know. I went and got the guys from around the corner and had a look, and they ain't that keen either. Let's have a look. Great. There we go. It's a bit shit, isn't it? Like, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to grow on me. It's kind of funny looking, but it's really hard to film in here. There's a lot of it. Obviously I need to put that bit in, and I've got a pine headline and I'm going to put through, but I don't know, it's funny and it's comical, but
Where? Back to the future.
Well, I suppose after putting you through that ordeal, I better show you how it looks now. I'm literally waiting for paint to dry, so let's have a look at the van. So inside, I've split the door cards apart, following the Dan Chambers video, and then I've installed some little red LEDs, which you can see there and there, which is lovely because it glows all this red at night time. It's pretty cool, and because I drive it mainly in the day, I forget, and then when you drive it at night, it's pretty nice. So yeah, split these apart, left these plastic at the top because it's a builder's van, but I've done some etching in there, did some tattoos with my laser engraver, makes it look a little bit different. So that's the door cards done, both sides, and then the headline in. They've gone with the same stretchy suede there, which has got a foam back to it, so it's got a really nice feel. That down there, done the pillars too, all down these pillars, all the way to the floor. And then the bottom half, you can see here, down, the bottom half of the dashboard's all done now, all the way along to here. I stopped at that because my grubby builder knees rub this, so I didn't bother doing the suede there. And only other thing really is I've fit those little sunglass holders. They're like a tenner off eBay, they're pretty cool. Painted them brown and done the brown on the sun visors, which is pretty cool. And then bought an Alcantara, I don't know how to say it, gear gates around from there. So to be fair, the front of the van looks pretty smart now. I mean, as smart as a builder's van can be, but now the front looks really nice. The crack den in the back, oh, it's just horrible. So we do need to crack on with that, but I've been so bloody busy with work that I haven't been able to do anything, to be honest. So I'm going to struggle to find the time to edit this video. What another quality video for you guys to watch. They're getting worse, aren't they? Every single one is getting worse. I am going to put some more time into the van at some point. Could be next week, could be 6 months, whenever I've got the time. And unfortunately, I just do this as a little hobby. The joinery stuff pays the bills, and you guys really, I don't think you want to watch me building and spraying furniture. It's pretty boring sometimes. Yeah, but until next time, guys, have a good one. And yeah, if you want any more details on what I've done, because there's no point me doing a how-to on it, because go to Dan, his videos are better. Dan Chambers has done a full video on how to do the headlining, split your door cards apart, put them back together. It really is simple. You just need a little bit of time, bit of patience and space. See you guys again.